Hello, English Go-Getter. This is the second quiz in our Unscramble the Sentences series. I hope you're ready. Now, before we start the quiz, let's go over the instructions. You will read the words, choose the correct answer. Now, remember, you have 10 seconds and then the answer will appear. Are you ready, English Go-Getter? So let's get started. Question number 1. And the correct answer is letter B. This is her horse. Question number 2. And the correct answer is letter C. Sandra is from Brazil. Question number 3. And the correct answer is letter C. Carol is 32 years old. Question 4. And the correct answer is letter A. Sam is their brother. Question 5. And the correct answer is letter A. Those are my shoes. Question 6. The correct answer is letter B. Leo is a doctor. Question 7. And the correct answer is letter C. She works with plants. Question 8. And the correct answer is letter B. He works on a farm. Hey, English Go-Getter, you're halfway there. Keep going. Question 9. And the correct answer is letter A. It is 7 o'clock. Question 10. And the correct answer is letter C. He leaves the house at 8 a.m. Question 11. And the correct answer is letter A. Sarah gets up at 7 a.m. Question 12. And the correct answer is letter B. Robert plays tennis on Sundays. Question 13. And the correct answer is letter C. My sister works with animals. Question 14. The correct answer is letter B. Daniel works from Monday to Friday. Question 15. And the correct answer is letter A. Sophia is not an engineer. And now question 16. And the correct answer is letter B. The farmer gets up at 5 a.m. every day. Great job, English Go-Getter. You did it. You finished the quiz.
Yeah, mission accomplished. That was fun.
And how did you do? Feel free to leave your score in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. And thank you for watching, English Go-Getter. I'll see you in the next video.